Do you remember where you come from? You are a product of nature. For thousands and thousands of years, this has been our natural habitat. The light of the day, the cool of the night. The flow of the seasons and the sound and sensations of the sun, the rain, and the wind. A deep bond with nature that is embedded in our genes. Affecting our bodies and our minds. But somehow, along the way, we forgot about all of this. Slowly but surely, we left nature behind and we went inside. Replaced nature with ceilings and walls, central heating, and artificial light. We became the indoor generation. And we loved it. Today, we spend 90% of our lives indoors, and we are passing this new habit on to our children. The coming generation will be indoors from the moment they wake up and throughout most of the day. And they will spend most of the time in closed-off environments. We try our best to replicate nature everywhere because somehow it makes us feel better, but it's not the same. Living without daylight and fresh air affects us. It affects our health and our well-being. We pay a price for leaving nature behind. To save the inner generation, we must find ways to let nature back into our lives. Our lungs, bodies, and minds are longing for it. We have to give the coming generation a feeling for the outside, of natural light and fresh air. We must nurture and value the connection to Mother Nature that we are all born with. Just because we have gone inside doesn't mean that we have to leave her behind. Nature is still here for us. It's just waiting for an invitation.